Hello, my name is Young Akolachi Barnabas, and today I'm making a video about 5 ways that we can pronounce the sound, the letter A. The letter A. Now, if you look at the screen, I have 3 words displayed on the screen. I have the first one, second, and the third. So we are going to go through them and learn how to pronounce them. The first one is pronounced as, let me use another color, which is a different color. Okay, good. The first one is pronounced as mat. Mat. If you look at the mat, the A that you see over here, it makes the sound air. Air, as in mat. Now, second A, as you can see, let's write the pronunciation of this word, the spelling of the sound. We have a, mate, mate. So here our A makes the sound A. It makes the A sound. A. Let's look at the third one. With the third one, we have the CAR. So the CAR is the spelling, and the spelling of the sound is going to be K, R, or K, R, car, or car. So our sound is going to be R, R, R. Let's go to the next. Next, we have the word want and talk. Let's write the spelling of the sound. We have, for want, we have wa, or, want. So over here, our A makes the sound as in on, as in on, October, octopus, and of. So we have the sound. The sound is uh. Then the last one is talk. That is the long form of that is all. Talk. Or talk. So our A here, the letter A, makes the sound all. So these are the 5 ways that we can pronounce the letter A. Let's go one more time. So we have mat, mate, car, or car, and we have want and talk. See you. Bye bye.